Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down in order to find battery and device care. And as you can see right now, your device is checking itself, but all we have to do is simply tap on device protection. Now let's tap on turn on and tap on scan phone. And we have to wait until our device will scan itself in order to find some viruses or any malware. As you can see, it will scan actually everything, starting from the games and just regular apps. Okay, so as you can see, the device just finished the scanning, no threats has been found. It took a while, but right now we can be sure that the device is protected and that there are no viruses or malware. If, of course, if your device will detect anything, then it will show it to you, it will notify you about that, and you will be able to either manually remove it or your device will do it automatically. So actually this is it. This is how to virus scan your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.